Check this out. There's like a dam here in that beautiful lake. Yo. You know what time it is. What? Boujar V30. it's set up for 5 degrees Celsius. It's running on 12 volt. Oh, here goes the whiskey. And let's see what it's running on this year. I upgraded from a Jackery 300 to a Blue Eddy Elite 100. It's 1024 watt hour of power. It's hooked on to my solar panel right now on the top of the Jeep, but there's no, the sun is setting, so there hasn't been any sun for an hour. Still, I'm up at 95%. We'll see tomorrow morning. Mostly this is the fridge and a few lights and maybe charging my phone and stuff. But since there's no cellular data here, and I don't think I'm gonna use it at all. Alright, dinner soon. So I went camping last month and for some reason I forgot to turn off something in the Jeep, and the battery, the starter battery, went completely dead. So I just bought one thing that's gonna save me out of this problem. Like everything else, when you get a problem with something, the first time it happens, you buy what you need to resolve that problem, and then it's not gonna happen again. But anyway, here's what I got. Here we go. Hold on. I guess this is from a company named Noco. I just don't care that much about what brand I bought, but it seemed like a good one. So there you go. Noco Boost Plus GB40. From what I read, I should be able to start up my Jeep maybe 20 times, even though my starter 12 volt battery would be dead. So that's nice. You just hook these to your battery, plug in from here to here, and you just turn it on, and it's already full. This is a battery that I can charge with a USB-C adapter, which can be plugged in my brand new Blue Eddy. I love the Blue Eddy. And this is a USB out if I wanted to charge my phone maybe, or any device I would need. And one of the things, this is August 11th, 2025, and it's really hot outside. Here's one thing I really think I'm gonna need. So I had one of these, but much smaller last year, but I bought this one. This is a fan that has its own battery, and I can use it as a light if I want to. There's 3 levels of LED lights on this, and it can be charged with USB-C. I got my magnetic USB-C adapter here, just so it's easier to plug on any of my devices. And there's a USB-A here to charge a phone or something else. The battery is pretty tough, and I could run this easily all night, and then maybe hook it up to my Blue Eddy tomorrow, and we'll still be able to use the fan. It's gonna be pretty useful tonight because it's really hot tonight. Beautiful camping spot. I'm using the dashboard shield in a reflective mode. The other side is totally black, so I'm using the foil type of reflective because it's hot today. The sun is down, so I think I should maybe, yeah, it's pretty low. No lights at all for the last hour or so. So I'm gonna just put this back in the Jeep. There you go. So the Bush RV is pumping 30, 40 watts or so. And of course it's turning off when the temperature is at 5 degrees. That's the temperature I set up the Bush RV at. But let's see, from time to time it goes between 35 maybe to 48 watts. So 95% left power in the Blue Eddy. We'll see how much is gonna be left in the morning. It's about 7 p.m. now. The sun is getting down. It's almost maybe 7:30, maybe 8 p.m. The mosquitoes are out. I need my secret weapon. Oh no, where is? Oh, sweet. All right.